this video, I'll show you how to edit symbols on your list on Yahoo Finance. So first, go ahead and open Yahoo Finance on your device. You can do this both on the website and on application. And since I have the application, I'll show you how you can do that with the application. Make sure that you're signed in into your account, and at your home screen, you'll be able to find your available list on Yahoo Finance. So be able to edit symbols, click on that specific list and click on this pen icon at the top right of your screen. Now click on this edit list button and you can go ahead and delete and add more symbols into this list. So if you want to delete this symbol, you can simply check on the checkbox at the left of this specific symbol and click on the delete button at the bottom left of your screen. You can go ahead and add more symbols into this list by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that is how you can simply edit symbols on your list on Yahoo Finance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.